Okay.
Man gaat geht eruit, ich will ich halt gestreut. Mein Hart ist mir bei, na Schia. Es ist mir eins in kalt, en ich der Gruen auf. Ein weißer Menschen, bewusst es quält mir. Die Liebe brennt das Schreck, ich will ich starb weg. En noch mein Jossen, mein Jarin, mein Dier. A schöner mir so dann versahne, beiner Jossen. Ich krab hier nur dir. Oi, 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 mein Haie, geht vor euch zu dir. Oi, 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 dein Maus gesehen, noch halten wart auf dir. Oi, 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 ich hol ihm jede Nacht auf dir. En dieser mi fabulatore, io, ich grab hier nur dir. Kereta schiedach mir, a glikurun a schier, a scheinem Bucher mit a größe Pompe Geld. Es ist kein Gringe da, ach, ich vergiss es gleich, im Finster ist mir geworden mein Welt. Mein Mann ist süßer schier, en Jossel kriegt mir, den Hassen, den Kosten im Medium. Beim Trinken, beim Essen kann ich ihm kein Mut vergessen, ja, du kriegst mir noch ein Sinn. Oh, ja, 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 oi, oi, mein Haie, geht nur euch zu dir. Oi, 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 dein Maus gesehen, noch auf dem Wort zu dir. Oi, 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 ich hol ihm jede Nacht auf dir. En dieser Haare, mich amulatore, ja, ich grab hier nur dir. Oi, 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 mein Haie, geht vor euch zu dir. Oi, 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 dein Maus gesehen, noch auf dem Wort auf dir. Oi, 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 ich hol ihm jede Nacht auf dir. En dieser Haare, mich amulatore, ja, ich grab hier nur dir.
Okay. Okay. Janet, will you start the English, please?
In the 1920s and 1930s, the 1920s and 1930s saw a lively exchange of Yiddish theater and popular songs between America and Europe. Last year, we heard the singer-scholar Jane Pepler sing Mr. Malka Hamovus. Ich bin busy. Mr. Angel of Death, I'm busy. Originally sung in the 1920s by Nellie Kasman. Kasman wrote the music to Yossel, Yossel, Yossel in 1923, and her husband Samuel Steinberg wrote the lyrics. She sang it in the musical Das Kasendel.
Hasendel.
Hasendel, The Little Cantor. It was reprinted in Warsaw in the 1930s by the Yiddish bookseller and publisher Itzik Zelonik, and Jane Pepler reprinted it in the 2014 in her compilation The Itzik Zelonik Working Files. Like Mr. Malach Hamovis, Ich bin busy, Yussel Yussel, contains some English words. Can you find them? The phrase on a shear appears 3 times. It means without limit. The word quell most often means to beam with pride, but in this song it means to torture. The verb krichen means literally to crawl, krichen, to crawl or to creep, or figuratively to get inside your mind. It also has a sexual connotation. Der Yeser Hara means the inclination to do evil, and specifically to lust. Der Yetzer Hara Git Mir a Torah means it pushes or incites her. Woof.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bob, will you start, please?
Mein Feiers geht raus. Ich will, ich will, ich halt nicht aus. Mein Herz tut mir weh, gar ohne Schere. Es wird mir heiß und kalt, und ich wär und alt, und weiß Mensch, was gefällt mir? So my life is draining out of me. I feel um, I feel I can't endure it.
I won't
My
be able
heart,
to bear it.
my I can't endure it, bear it. Okay,
Yes, good.
either way. My heart, I have a heartache without end. It's for me. I get hot and cold, and you and I become gray and old. And my friend, man, um, what what's torturing me.
Okay, you will continue if you,
Yeah.
but first Bonnie has raised the hand.
Yeah.
Bonnie.
The first line, mine,
Highest.
highest is
Highest.
life.
My strength, my strength,
My life.
my life, my strength.
My life is, so my life goes out. That means there's nothing for me. I mean,
It's
Means I'm
painful.
dying.
It's draining. I'm
Really?
draining. It's yeah. I mean,
yeah, sort of like his light is
without
his light
Yossel,
is
it's
going out.
tough. It's very hard without Yossel.
No,
Yeah.
it's not light, Vasya.
Life.
Not
It's
light.
Life.
It's
Life.
life with
I
an
know
F.
it's life, but I'm saying his light is going out, meaning
Yeah.
he's dying. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
He
Okay,
is.
Bob,
in
go
this
on.
case.
Die Liebe brengt Schreck. Oh, ich fühl ich starb weg. Nur mein Jossel, mein Darling, mein Dear, a Bucher, a Schöner, mir soll sein vor seiner Beine. Jossel, ich, ich klappe noch dir.
Good.
So it says here, my life is burning terribly.
My love.
Liebe
My
is
love.
love.
My
Love.
love is burning terribly. Thank you. I feel like I feel like I'm dying.
Good.
Only my Yussel, my darling, my dear, a young man, a beautiful man. We should mir soll sein, far sein, or I'm after your bones, or I want to be with you. Yossel, I'm dying. I'm dying only for you.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you. But can someone explain the mir soll sein für seine Beine?
Sure. It's mir soll sein für dir. I should suffer instead of you. I would sacrifice myself for you. So mir soll sein für seine Beine. I would gladly sacrifice myself for his bones.
Okay.
It's a term of endearment, but very hard to translate.
Yeah, mir soll sein für dir is,
You say it to a child, oh, mir soll sein
Right,
für dir.
right.
I don't know
And,
how you could
Yeah.
translate.
and in the third line down, it's a noch mein Yossel, right?
Mhm.
She's ich starb weg noch mein Yossel. I'm
After,
dying for him. It's not a resh, it's noch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
think
The same
meaning
in
is
the
more that
second
I-
line.
Morty, I saw that you raised your hand,
Oh
Morty.
my gosh.
I was going to say the same thing that
Cool.
Okay.
was said already.
Okay. So, okay. Yes, Beverly?
What is krapir? I never heard that word.
Die. Die.
To die like a dog,
I
to
never
die
heard
a
that word.
miserable death.
Oh,
Yeah. I also saw a translation croaking. I'm croaking for you.
Yeah, right, croaking, right, yeah.
well, I've always heard the word yassel, but I've never heard the rest of it.
Okay. So
Okay,
Okay, so
now you do.
thank you, Maurice.
now your life is complete.
Yes.
I love that song.
That's all she
Oy,
needed.
oy, oy.
I never knew there were words that went to it.
Okay, Elaine, please, Elaine.
Mina,
Yes.
can I ask you a question? Can you type this the song in this order, because I got something completely berserk. Okay.
Okay, I don't do the PowerPoint, Neely. I don't do the PowerPoint. This is what you mean?
So how will I get it? Okay, whatever.
I don't know. Do you know what? For the time, I sent you whatever I got and it was okay, but then I stopped. I forgot. I'll start sending it again to you.
Okay.
Okay.
One song, please.
I'll write it down. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. I say the lane, yes?
Yeah. Oi, 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 yassel, yassel, yassel. Oi, 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 mein Chayes geht raus on dir. Oi, 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 yassel, yassel, yassel. Dein Malke sitzt noch als und wart auf dir.
Good.
So, oi, oi, yassel, yassel, yassel. My life is leaving me. I'm dying. My life is leaving me. Yassel, yassel. Your queen is sitting after all and waiting for you.
Okay, go on, please.
Oi, 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 yassel, yassel, yassel. Ich cholem jede Nacht nur von dir und geht der Yetzirah mir amol Torah, yassel, ich krapir nach dir. So yassel, yassel, I dream of you only of you every night. And my evil inclination or my lust gives me a push.
No.
A push, yeah, no.
Yes, yes,
no.
that's yes,
No,
yes.
no, she's telling him, und give der the Yetzirah. You should give the Yetzirah another
No,
reason.
that would be
No.
gib. That would be gib.
No.
If it's a command, it would be gib. No. Yetzirah is the subject
That's
of
the
the
subject.
word.
That's the subject.
Right.
My evil inclination, my lust is giving me a push, and I'm just dying for you like a
Good.
dog.
Yeah. Okay, Elaine, you will keep reading, but Morty, yes?
No, I was going to say in the third line, this discussion, you could turn it over and make it clearer for Cookie. Der Yetzirah get mir
Atore.
amol.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Because that's the subject.
I thought
that's the subject, yeah.
give the evil inclination another
No,
reason.
Morty's
No,
saying
no, no, no.
Git could be a command, and Yitzhahara is the object.
Yeah. But she's
Not
telling
in
him
this
to
case.
give the evil inclination another reason to
Okay.
get started.
Rafael, please, clear it, please.
Yeah, the fact that it's der Yetzer Hara means it's got to be the subject.
Right.
If
Yeah.
it would be,
That's
and
right.
you should give to the Yetzer Hara, it would be dem
Yeah.
Yetzer Hara.
Right.
So it's der Yetzer Hara. The grammar helps here. And also, what
Yeah.
would you do in that case with Atara, which is, as we're putting it, the direct object of Gittin? And
Sure.
if you make Yetzer Hara the object, then you have nothing you can do with Atara.
Sure.
So it's got to be the way we've been translating it.
Yeah.
So could somebody do it? What's the final conclusion here? Do those last two lines.
It was what
Okay.
I said.
Yeah, what Elaine said.
My evil inclination sometimes gives me a push, my lust gives me a push. I don't know. What's the word for a Torah? I don't know.
Temptation.
Yeah.
Temptation, right. Like I'm tempted. I'm so tempted to
We know
jump
what you
your
mean.
I'm
Yeah.
so tempted to jump your bones.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Elaine, please go.
Geret ashidach mir a glick gor on ashir. So I think that means there's a marriage arranged for me.
Mm-hmm.
A match has been made for
Yeah,
me.
A match. Yeah.
Right. It's implied mehot geret ashidach.
Yeah. Endless luck, an endlessly lucky thing, I guess. Ashenem Bacher mit a große Bombe Geld. A handsome boy with a big bomb of money. Is that an expression that I never
Bundle
heard?
of money. He's got a
A
money.
big bundle of money. Es ist kein geringe Sach. It's not an easy thing. A chuppah stellt gleich. To put up a chuppah, to go to the
Yeah,
chuppah.
like organize a wedding.
To organize, yeah. Und finster is mir geworden mein Welt, and my world is becoming dark.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
I guess
Well,
because she's going to be pushed into this marriage.
Right.
Yeah,
In
and
spite
not
of his
with-
good looks and his bomb of money.
yeah, and not with Yosef, of course.
She doesn't want him. She doesn't want him.
Yeah. Morty?
Yes, for the second line, Agli, there's a common saying in Yiddish, when something bad happens to you, you say, Agli hat mich getroffen.
Right.
Yeah. Mhm.
And
That's
that is
it.
the sense in this line. And then,
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. I get it.
And in the next to the last line, what she's saying is that the man has already set up the chuppah.
Yeah.
A chuppah stellt gleich.
Gleich. Immediately.
He's not waiting. He's setting up the chuppah immediately.
Mhm.
That's the meaning of gleich.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Okay.
Okay. Beverly?
Mein Mann liebt mir on Ashir. My husband loves me with, I'm not sure what sheer is.
Without end.
Without end.
Without an
limit.
end. And Yassel kriegt zu mir. And Yassel,
No.
how do you say kriegt?
She
zu
can't
mir?
forget him.
Kriegt zu mir in Arzen. In Kopf
Oh,
und
oh,
Unten.
oh. On Yassel kriegt zu mir in Herzen. But Yassel goes into my heart.
Good.
In Kopf und Ometum beim Trinken. In my head and every time I'm drinking.
Umitum, everywhere.
No.
Everywhere.
It's not just in her head.
And everywhere. Oh, okay, that's one. Beim Trinken, by while I'm drinking, while I'm eating, beim Essen, kann ich ihm kein Mal vergessen. I can't, shouldn't it say kann ich nicht? It says I can't forget him.
I mean, kein Mal it's
Say-
negative.
Okay, I can't forget him. Yossel kriegt mir noch in Sinn. Yossel is still in my mind. How do you translate Yossel? Joseph?
Joey.
Joey?
Joey. Sure. Because it would
Okay.
be Yosef, but this is Yossel, so it's Joey.
All right, okay, then you say, yeah, Yossel. Mein Chayes geht heraus und dir. My Chayes, I don't know how you translate Chayes.
My life. My life.
My life goes away without you. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, Yossel. Dein Malke sitzt noch aus und wart auf dir. Your queen, oh, that's her, she's the queen, is
Right.
sitting and waiting for you.
Right.
Yeah.
Noch als means
I
still.
think that's her
Still
name.
waiting.
I don't think it's the queen. I think it's her name.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's her name, sure.
Oh.
That
Yeah.
could be her name, yeah.
Maybe.
I think it's a
Pretty
name, not queen.
Name.
It could be either.
Could be both.
Well,
Yeah.
there's no. If it was a queen, at some point she would call him a king, a melech. But there's no indication of that.
Oh. So
Okay.
she's saying she's
He is
saying
Malka, her
you're
name.
Malka.
Dein
You're
Malka, your
Malka.
Malka.
It
Yeah.
reminds me of a family story. My tante was in love with a man in Europe and they didn't like him. They probably figured he was so they sent her to America and she married someone else. And years later, she met that man who became rich in the Catskills. Similar story. She probably missed him all the time.
Okay. Rochelle and then Barbara. Rochelle?
Yeah, I would translate mein Chayes geht heraus und dir, my life ebbs away without you.
Sure.
Ebbs away. That's
Yeah,
good.
ebbs away.
That's a good one. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Barbara? You're muted.
I have some competition here. So I'm just wondering if Malcolm might refer to her sitting on the throne at her wedding with Yossel. I mean, that's in her mind, possibly. You know, the bride sits on a throne prior to the Bedek, and I'm wondering if that's a reference. Maybe I'm reading too much into it.
I don't think so because it says alt, even now, after she's already married.
Yeah,
You see
noch
in the-
als is still
Alt,
even
no
now.
alt, even now.
Okay.
So it's got nothing, not at the time of the
Okay.
wedding.
Yeah.
Okay. Elaine?
I have a question about the use of the word mein Mann. Mein Mann liebt mir on Ashir. Mann, he's not her husband yet.
Yes, he
He
is.
is her
Yes,
husband.
it is. She's
At
married.
this point, he's her
Remember,
husband.
he put up
She's
the
married.
chuppah immediately.
Oh, I didn't realize that okay.
Because it says that gleich, that was the chuppah was
Was
immediately.
erected. Yeah. I got the word erected. The chuppah was erected already.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't
Right.
realize that she had
He's the-
actually,
he's the
they had
legal
actually, oh,
husband,
okay.
But it's Yossel
Yeah.
who's still creeping into her brain.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
that's where I was confused too.
Okay.
Yeah. Bonnie?
Yeah, what is sheer?
Without end.
End.
Onashir is
Onashir.
without limit,
Without end.
without end.
With that, okay.
Okay, so we are here. Mariv, do you want to read? We already translated it. Just to read it.
Oi, Yossel. Ich komme jede Nacht nur von dir und geht der Etzachara.
Yetzirah.
Yetzachara, mir amol Torah, Yossel, ich krapier noch dir. Sorry, I already forgot what we did.
We translated it, so yeah.
Yeah.
And this as well.
Oi, Yossel, oi, mein Hayas Gate Arois on dir Oi, 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 Yossel, dein Malka sitzt nach alle und
Alt.
It's a tzaddik.
Alt.
Yeah.
als und Wort auf dir.
Good.
Well done.
Yeah.
Barely.
Yeah, okay. You want to try this too also? We translated it just to read it.
All right, I'm not going to do all the Yossels, okay? Oi, Yossel, ich holen jede Nacht nur von dir und gibt der Yitzhora
Yeah.
mir amol Tora, Yossel ich
Kapir.
krepir nach dir.
Good.
Bravo,
Yeah.
bravo.
Okay, let's listen to it once again. Okay.
Man Chayes geht zerreut, ich fühl ich halt nicht heut. Mein Herz ist mir weh, du an Aschia. Es ist mir eins in Kalt, denn ich der Gruen auf. Ein weißer Menschen, bewusst es quält mir. Die Liebe brennt erschreckt, ich fühl ich stark weg. Und noch mein Jochen, mein Jaring, mein Dier. Mein Buche, mein schöner mir so dankbar seine Beine, ja. Ich krapil nur dir. Oi, 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 mein Chayes, geht nur euch zu dir. Oi, 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 dein Malke sitzt noch auf dem Wart auf dir. Oi, 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 ich hol ihm jede Nacht auf dir. In dieser mich amulatore, ja, ich krapil nur dir. Kereta shidach mir, agli kuruna shir, a sheinem Bucher mit a größe Bombe gel. Es ist kein Gringe da, ach, ich ist es flach, im Finster ist mir geworden mein Welt. Mein Mann ist viel zu schier, ein Jossel kriegt mir, in Herzen, in Kopf, in Medien. Beim Trinken, beim Essen kann ich ihm kein Mut vergessen, ja, kriegst mir noch ein Sinn. Oi, 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 mein Chayes geht nur euch zu dir. Oi, 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 dein Malke sitzt noch auf dem Wart auf dir. Oi, 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 ich hol ihm jede Nacht auf dir. En dieser Jinterhane, mich amulatore, ja, ich krapil nur dir. Oi, 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 mein Chayes geht nur euch zu dir. Oi, 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 dein Malke sitzt noch auf dem Wart auf dir. Oi, 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 ich hol ihm jede Nacht auf dir. En dieser Jinterhane, mich amulatore, ja, ich krapil nur dir.
Okay. So that was fun.
Yep.
Okay. Before, yes, Cookie, what?
There's a question on Yeda. She said she's singing Yedas with a samach at the end, and I hear either it's Yeded with a resh at the end, or it's Yeda with an ayin at the end, and that's Yede, or Yeded, or Yedas. Which is correct?
Is it for Nacht? Jede Nacht should be an ayin at the end every night.
So it's Yedeh. but they're singing Yedes, Yedes or Yeder.
No,
Yeah, that's
I mean,
correct too.
it should just be an ayin. There shouldn't be anything after the ayin.
There shouldn't
Either.
be, but yeah, they do
Yedenach.
speak it with a resh or a samach after it.
No, it's not. First of all, it's not masculine, so there wouldn't be a resh.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And I don't, why would there be a samach?
Thank you. Okay. Yeder.
Refoel, please.
Yeah, sometimes you will see Yedis or Yedis if it's neuter. Yedis Kind, but it's a little bit unusual, but it does exist.
And the resh doesn't exist. I heard it many times with the resh. Yeder nach.
Yeah, if it were a masculine noun.
It's an adjective. Adjectives take endings, and they can be s, typically.
Okay.
Okay. Refoel, before we move to our story, can you remind the group about tomorrow's program, please?
Sure. At noon Houston time, which is 1 o'clock New York time, there will be a YIVO et al. Event at which I will be interviewed along with Sheila Jelen for a new book that just came out on Menachem Kipnis. And you can find, if you go to the YIVO website, you can find a registration form. It's going to be a webinar, which means we'll be on the panel, and anyone who wants and has signed up can then be in the audience, and we'll be able to ask questions. And we'll be talking about this book. This book is got two pretty much independent parts. One is a series of photographs that Menachem Kipnis took between the wars in the Pale of Settlement, well, no longer the Pale, in Jewish land, Jewish shtetl, mostly in Poland. And nice pictures with captions. The other part, the unrelated part, he was a collector, and one of the things he collected was folk tales, and he has a book, The Folk Tales of Chelm, and I translated that particular book. And so my translation of his collection of folk tales is the other part of the book, and they're intermingled. And so you see pictures, you see folk tales, but there's no connection between the two. And then Sheila wrote an introduction describing her theories of what she calls salvage poetics. And I can't explain it to you. You have to read it yourself.
Okay. Oh, we will ask her tomorrow.
I want to ask for a question.
Just a moment. I just want to tell you that after we finish the story that we are reading today, I prepared 2 stories by Kipnis, by Menachem Kipnis, 2 Chelm stories. So it will just, it will just be in line with what Refoel and Sheila will talk about. So you will get the idea. Okay.
Can I ask? Yeah. Refoel, is Sheila from Chicago by any chance?
Yeah. I first met actually her father, Chaim, who was born in a DP camp, and he comes to the Yiddish Week every year. His wife is Tybal. And
Toby?
Perhaps
I know.
Toby. I know her as Tybal. Anyway, he has 2 daughters.
I know her from when I lived in Chicago. We were very good friends, her mother.
Liana is the second child. Sheila, from his first marriage, so Sheila and Liana are half sisters.
Okay.
Then you almost know Sheila. And Sheila has been living in various places. At the moment, she now is back in Chicago at the University of Chicago Divinity School.
Okay.
Amazing.
So,
I was very good friends with her mother when I lived in Chicago. Her stepmother, I guess.
Put it in your diaries for tomorrow, 1 o'clock Eastern time, and calculate accordingly. Yeah. So, and now something else. Cookie, I see you. I will let you talk. But another thing, Barbara, would you tell the group about this Sunday, what we are doing this Sunday?
Okay, and of course, this applies particularly to people who live in Houston. There will be a recording of the program that we are doing on Sunday, and that will follow. However, we are doing our annual Sholem Aleichem commemoration at the JCC, and this year we have done several Yiddish cultural programs in collaboration with the JCC and the Yiddish Book Center, which is very nice. So this is our culminating program for the calendar year. And we're doing Kaporis, which we actually, read in our class. And
Yeah.
remember. So those of you who are in Houston, haven't read it, please look at your Yiddish newsletter that you received from Michael. There's a link in there to register. Please, people, we need to register if you are coming, because this is not only a matter of how many people are going to be in attendance. This is a security issue. So this is why I am stressing that if you are in Houston, you do plan to come, do register. That's pretty much it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Barbara. So now, Cookie, yeah.
Wait, I have a question for Bob. Is this going, I know it's in person. Is it also going to be streamed, or we
Yes.
just have to wait for the
For the
recording?
YouTube, the recording. It won't be streamed directly. There will be a recording, and then not Michael Fisman, Michael Moore will put it on YouTube, and then we will send all of you the link.
That's what I wanted to know. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Cookie.
I was just curious, the one who has translated the Chelm, does that include Chelm jokes? Because I have a book of Chelm, a few Chelm jokes. I didn't know if that is part of whoever wrote the Chelm stories, or it was just added later and attributed to Chelm.
Okay, yes, Rafael.
All of the stories are just attributed to Chelm. I think that Menachem Kipnis invented some of them himself. And,
Okay.
but I'm not sure. Or he collected them. And they're all meant to be funny. And so you can call them jokes. They tend to be between one paragraph, and some of them are quite long. Some are maybe 20 paragraphs long. But it's a collection. And so if you want to consider them jokes, sure. They're all meant to be funny.
I used to tell one joke. It was just a 2 or 3 liner.
Okay, so we will read 2 stories next time. In the meanwhile, let's go back to Amerikanisiert. And where is it? It's here. Okay. So we stopped on page 135, but this paragraph is very philosophical and it's not really clear. So let's, jump to page 136, second paragraph. Okay? That's it. Really, that's it.
Move it. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's what I can do. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Let me see what I can more do. Okay, that's it. Otherwise, it just goes out of the page.
Yeah.
So, Rochelle, if you can start reading Semyonov Odzich Obgyak. So, there is a group of friends, Russian friends, and they are talking about, one wants them to be Americanized, to
assimilated.
Yes, to assimilate. The others are more, skeptic about it. And someone named Semyonov is telling a story about going to Chicago, and there are 3 girls there living together and working in the shops, and they are singing Russian songs. And there is a long paragraph about, the nature of Russian songs and whatever. So let's leave it and let's continue.
Semyonov hat sich abgehakt. Semyonov interrupted himself. Et Tashkis Eugen haben
Emetschkes, it's a name.
Emetschkes Eugen haben geguckt auf ihm mit Zorn und Hass. Emichka looked at him with his eyes looked at him with I don't know how to translate Sorgen, but Hass is hate.
Anger and hate.
Anger and hate. Bist gerecht, Kind. You are right, child. Haben sich seine Blicken wie
Gebeten.
bebeten.
Gebeten.
Oh, gebeten. Okay, so that the look in his eyes said, "You are right, child." Und hat erzählt, and he told the story. Zu jener Zeit haben sich schon gefunden zwischen unsere Asach Amerikaner Patrioten. In another time, we
To that time,
Those times.
in those times, there were already amongst us a lot of American patriots, welche haben gesehen, unser Glück is Amerikanisieren sich, who saw that our happiness will be to become assimilated Americans.
Just a moment. Remember Morty's comment about mein Bubes Glück? Or something like this? So that's it.
Yeah, okay, so this is the negative.
That's, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that's why it's in quotes. Okay, so he's saying that this was not our good luck when we became
Yes.
Americanized. Thank you. Ich hab oft getracht wegen dem. I have often thought about this. Sie wollt es beemis
Niemand so nah
nicht
bei
I often thought about this, whether it would not perhaps have been good. Ha ha. Is that a laughter?
Yeah, it's a laughter.
It's a laughter. Mir intelligent, mir, us, the intelligent ones, Intelligenten, dürfen doch nur beschließen. We the intelligent ones have to decide. Die drei Mädchen haben mir sehr leid getan. The three girls gave me a lot of grief. Selche wie sie, those like they are, hab ich getracht, I thought, wollen schon treiben.
Oh, starben.
Wollen schon starben russische Patriotkes. Those three girls will die as Russian patriots. Von demels bin ich nicht gewesen also schlecht zu sie. And from that time on, I was not so bad to them. In mein Gedank habe ich sie zugepasst zu drei Gewehren von Nest.
Nest.
Okay, so
Nest group.
So I compared them to three friends from Nest.
It's not compare. Zugepasst is not compare. Is to like get together or
okay.
What's the word?
And Nest was what was described as this group at the very beginning of the story, right?
The city where they were.
Okay.
But zupassen is just, to put one and one together.
To match. Together.
To match.
That's
Good.
it. Thank you. Zupassen zu drei Gewehren from Nest. Okay, so to match them with three friends from Nest. Verwegen.
Funny.
Verfenny in der Heucher Samuel for Faggy the tall.
No, Fanny.
For Fanny, that's her name.
Yeah, that's a name.
Okay, for Fanny the tall Samuel.
Yeah.
For Esther der blonde Isaac, and for Esther, the blonde Isaac, und für Rosele, dem jungen Neizke Jechigen,
Yarigan.
Jarigen,
Abramson.
Abramson.
Name.
Another name. Okay, so
he's
all right,
doing
so
like
he's
he's matching them to other
matching
people.
them to each other. Okay.
Yeah.
Zu die Stube, zu die Stubim seinen.
Shidduchim.
Oh, okay, it's Hebrew. To die Shidduchim seinen gleich, to the. Oh, I guess their age is
No. If the matches were okay, were right, hat mich nicht geehrt.
Okay, and it didn't matter to me if the matches were right. Weil als einem
Als
hab,
eins.
well, als eins hab ich. I'm not quite getting that.
Weil als eins hab ich es nicht geschatchend. Klar, it means as it is, he didn't do it for real.
Oh, okay, he didn't do them for marriage.
He didn't do it for real. It's not reality. Mein Gedank.
Okay, so he was just thinking about these matches.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
Mein Gedank hat sei noch zugepasst.
Say no zugepasst. Okay, so it's only in my mind that I made these matches.
Yes.
Und nachdem bin ich weggefahren und vergessen und sei. And then I left. I traveled away and forgot about them.
Yeah. So that was not for real. Only in his mind, he matched them together.
Okay, and is he telling that to the group that he's with?
Yes, he's telling that to the group.
Okay.
He's telling that to the group. Okay. Thank you, Rochelle. Yes, Elaine.
The word in the end of the last paragraph, 19. Oh, is that 19 years old?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay. I just realized it was 19. Okay,
yes.
Sorry.
Yeah. Yes, Rafael?
Yeah, the last paragraph, the first word. It's written as tsu, but I think it would be tse, weather. I don't know why it's spelled there as tsu, but clearly it's tse. So the shidduchim sind gleich, hat mich nicht geehrt. Whether these matches were appropriate didn't bother me.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Mariv?
I think the narrator is female. Why are we?
No.
How do we know what?
Because the name Semyonov is a male.
Of the narrator.
Yeah, the narrator, the Semyonov, that's
okay.
It's a male. Yeah.
Okay.
Morty?
Yeah, unlike Revolve, to me, the first word of the last paragraph would be tsi, which is Galicianer, probably.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I agree with you. Yes, tsi the shidduchim. What can we do? But we are not going into it.
No, we're not.
Okay. Barbara, can you continue, please?
If you don't mind, I'm going to pass. I got too much competition here in the background.
Okay. No problem. Karen?
Yes.
4 Jahre später.
4 Jahre später bin ich wieder gewesen in jener Stadt. 4 years later, I was again in that city. Ich habe gegen meine 3 Mädchen. I met my 3 girls. Und hört, wie ich habe sie getroffen and listen to what was happening with them. Is that correct?
Yeah.
What was going on?
What was going on?
Fanny hat Chasana gehabt für Samuelin. Fanny married Samuel. Sie wohnen weiterois. They live far away. Far out.
But just a moment, sorry, Karen. But it can be in the suburbs, weiter Royce, out of the city. So it can be in the suburbs.
Thank you. Haben a guter business. They have a good business. A schöner Haus von 6 Zimmern und a schön Kind. They have a beautiful house with 6 rooms and a beautiful child. A Töchterl von a Jahr 3, a daughter of around 3 years old. Fanny cooked ois fett und schön. Fanny appears well nourished and beautiful. Die Haar trug sie stylish. Her hair is stylishly styled. Alle Zimmern seinen ausgebett mit rugs. All the rooms have rugs on them. Alle die Treppen, even the stairs, the staircase, was führen zum zweiten floor, that leads to the second floor. Und die was führen zum basement, and the stairs that lead to the basement, seinen euch ausgebett mit carpet, are also covered with carpet. They're carpeted. Auf die Gesimsen in alle Zimmern seinen angestellt Satzkes, gläserner Kelim, Figuren, Bilderlach on the ledges of all the rooms. There are little knickknacks, glass dishes or plates, figures, and little pictures. As der Kopf heut an schwinden. I guess there's so many that it makes the head spin. Und schöner Möbel, kostbare Spiegeln, verhangen und alle Kleinigkeiten and beautiful costly furniture, costly mirrors, drapes, and all little things, was der stickt und macht eng die Luft in jeder Amerikaner Haus. All those things that suffocate and make the air constricted in every American house.
So that's not fair because it's not only in American houses, it's in a lot of other nationalities, the description of what happens here. So it's not fair to say that it's only Americans. So would you like to continue the next paragraph?
Yes, thank you. Fanny is a bissel roit geworden bei mein Kommen. Penny was a little bit flushed, became a little flushed with my arrival. Später hat sie sich beruhigt. Later she calmed herself und mich angehalten führen von ein Zimmer in andere and led me from one room to the other, kdei mir zu zeigen ihr ganze Hab und Guts, in order to show me all of her possessions. Später haben wir gehabt Supper. Later we had, I'm thinking it's supper.
Yes.
Annie hat gegräht dem Tisch mit die alle Teppich, Gläserlach und schmackt es. Fanny prepared the table with all the cups and
It is not schmatkes, it's schmachtes.
It's schmachtes. Yeah, letter translate. She didn't finish.
Yes, with all of the cups and glass and I schmachtes, I can't.
Trinkets.
Oh, trinkets, thank you.
Schmachtes, trinkets.
Thank you. Welche machen eng dem Tisch, which made the table narrow, verstellen die Speisen und seinen Überhaupt Mekatzer die Jahren unseren heimischen and verstellen and set down verstellen. Oh, hid that blocked or hid the food and above all made life miserable. Make someone's life miserable. Hamishin. I'm not sure how to translate that.
I think that Hamishin here it means someone that came from Russia.
Oh.
That's what I think. What do you think, people? This is what...
That people who come from Russia are miserable?
No,
that people from the old people from the old country.
They're not. They're miserable.
A Hamishin is almost the same thing as a Landsman.
A Landsman, yeah. So,
Oh.
So the same people. No, they are not miserable.
Yeah, but then translate the whole sentence because this is really a confused sentence.
Yeah, thank you, Marie.
Yeah.
It makes the table like tight, small. Okay, and it blocks the ma'achulim, the food, and overall they are making the ears, they are shortening the ears of, of our people, of the people that came from the same place.
Of the years, you mean shortening the life.
Oh, yeah.
It's an
idiom.
Oh.
That's not fair. Again, it's not fair.
Excuse me, it's an idiom, Mekatzer sein die Jahren, make someone's life miserable.
So again, it's not fair. Because I've been to Russian houses in Israel, and it's the same. It's the same description.
Yeah, well, this paragraph is very important because I'm wondering that, the author is criticizing the Americanization, and it seems the main complaint is that they fill their house too full of stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
That's their big grief with.
That's the big grief, yeah. That's their kind of success, yeah.
Getting very materialistic.
Getting very materialistic. But
okay.
Still, I'm saying it's not fair.
Right, but we want to know what the author is.
Yeah.
Their weird theory.
Yeah.
Okay.
Marsha?
Yeah, the word schmachtes, could you translate that again?
Trinkets.
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 Yeah, trinkets.
Yeah, tchotchkes. Really?
Bric-a-brac, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I have the chum.
I think that this is common for immigrants. It shows that they have made it.
Yes,
by
the
having all of this material stuff, the big
Right.
mitzvahs, the big weddings, the house full of furniture. This
Yeah.
is this was a very emotional kind of thing.
But it
But the word
sounds like they've overdone it.
Of course,
Also,
all of them, including my relatives.
But
also they didn't know what minimalism is, and they didn't believe it. So yeah.
but the word matis, not ch. Why they put the ch?
It's trinkets, not schmates. Schmachtes
Really?
is trinkets, bric-a-brac. It's another word.
I never heard. Okay, and I learned a new word today.
Yeah, it's another word.
Mementos.
Yeah, mementos. Yeah. Rafael, please.
Yeah, usually it's schmochtes. Here, the aleph doesn't have a vowel at all. But if you look in dictionaries, you'll find it under schmochte, which is the same as schmonse, which means, as you've been translating it, trinket, bric-a-brac, little things.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, thank you. So until now, it's clear?
Thank you.
Okay.
We're back
You know
on
what?
track.
Yeah, we are back on track.
Yeah.
Okay, Karen, thank you. And Rafael, maybe you can continue the Ot Roifge.
Where?
Where are we?
Rafael, the Ot Roifge game.
Where's the cursor?
Here.
I'm not finding it.
Me neither.
Sixth line of the paragraph, last words.
Can you show
After the three dots.
here where it is? Oh God.
Here.
There, okay, I see it.
You see
Z
it?
hut.
No.
In the middle of the paragraph, near the end of the line,
Here.
after three dots.
Oh.
Here.
Yeah. Z hut.
Can you put your finger there? Oh God.
What I can put my finger, you will not see it. If I put my finger, you will not see it.
I'll pick it up eventually.
Okay. Rafael, start reading and Nili will find you.
Die hat a Ruf gegeben allerlei Speisen und Gewächse. She placed out all sorts of foods, baked goods, als eigene Arbeit. I did it all myself. Hat sie sich gegräust. She boasted. Sie hat gefragt, ob schmeckt es? She asked, do I like it? Und wenn ich hab gelobt dem Pudding, and when I praised the pudding, hat ihre schön fett Gesicht a Leucht getan. Her beautiful, well-fed, not necessarily fat, face lit up. Dieselbe Zufriedenheit is euch gewesen auf Samuelen. And you could see the same pleasure, satisfaction for her husband Samuel. Gerät haben beide gebrochenem Englisch. Both of them spoke a broken English. Das Mädele und die christliche Schreinem hat sie gezwungen zu lernen die Sprache. The fact that they had a daughter and their non-Jewish neighbors was forcing them to learn this language. Vollständig amerikanisiert is given mein erster Gedanke wegen sie. Entirely assimilated was my first thought about them. Mir is geworden a bissel Säuer auf den Herzen. I felt a little bit sour in my heart. Nachdem habe ich gesucht Esther, and then I went to visit the second woman, Esther. Esther wohnt mit Isaac. Esther is living with Isaac. Sie vernehmen a kleinem flat. They are occupying a small flat. These words are kind of British. You say flat here, but okay. Lernt für Dentist. He is studying to become a dentist. Sie arbeitet in shop, and she is working in a shop. Sie arbeitet schwer. Sie ist mager und blass. She is working hard. She appears to be thin and pale. Nita die Lebendigkeit. There is no liveliness. Sie arbeitet schwer bei Tag in shop. She works hard during the day in the shop. Bei Nacht die Hausarbeit. und ein bisschen lernt sie nach. And at night, there's the housework, and she's also studying a little also. Isaac wird sein Doktor, und sie soll viele die Sprache nicht kennen. You think Isaac should become a doctor and she shouldn't even know the language? Sie ist gerecht. Well, she's right. Ich hab dort lang nicht verbracht. I didn't spend much time there. Unser kurzer Gespräch hat sich nur gewickelt herum ihr schweren economischen Leben. Our short conversation was just wrapped around her difficult economic situation. Was es drückt, das fühlt man. Whatever is pressing on you, that's what you feel. Ich hab auf ihr kein Verriebel nicht gehabt. I didn't have any, how am I going to translate Verriebel? I didn't begrudge her any. I didn't, what, yeah, but what do you translate with Verriebel? Disgust or resentment. I didn't resent her at all. I've lost my place. Okay, yeah. I was not resentful. That all she could talk about was her financial situation. Then ich hab mich geklieben weggehen. When I was getting ready to leave, haben ihre graue Augen aufgeflammt. Her gray eyes lit up. Und sie hat ausgerufen mit Entzückung. And she called out with enthusiasm. Aber als Isaac beendeken und anheben verdienen. But when Isaac finishes his studies and begins to earn money, as wir wollen sich aruf arbeiten, when we will work our way up, will ich das Leben a Tag, I'll have a great life. Ich will einrichten a schöner Haus. I will acquire.
Set up, yeah. A beautiful house. Nehmen a dienst. I'll take a servant. Will ois ruhen mein zerbrochenem Guf. And I'll be able to rest my broken down body. Ach, wie schwer es ist zu arbeiten. Oh, it's so hard to work. Ganze Tag will ich liegen auf dem Divan. I'll be able to lie entire day on the sofa, cooking some ceiling, just looking at the ceiling, a roof up there, unklären, and just think. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Raphael. Harvey, would you like to read? You're still with us? Yes, you're with us. Harvey, would you like to read? Okay, he's with us, but not with us. Okay, so Michael Fissman, please.
Sorry. Ich bin weg von ihr an Umetiker. I left her feeling sad. Ich hab fein zu sehen schwere Lebens. I don't like to see people having hardship, living with hardship. Und ein Gedanke hat mir geeckert, and a thought bored its way into my mind. Von was wird sie Claren, what will she think about cooking dick zum ceiling? Oh, what will she think about when she's lying down and looking at the ceiling? For Lermontov's wanderenden Geist, about Lermontov's wandering spirit, von der süßer, treueriger, heiliger, verlorener Jugend in Russland, about the sweet, sad, holy, lost youth in Russia. Oder wird sie klären, I think that's a mistake, wird sie klären von die Rugs, or will she think about the rugs, von die Tzatzkelach, about the trifles, trinkets, von die süße, fette puddings, about the sweet, fat puddings. Ech. Nu, well,
Can we just,
should
I have a
carry on?
question.
Yeah, okay, so just a moment. Yes, Elaine.
Okay, I noticed I was going to ask it about the prior page, but I see it's all here too. The substitution of gimel for kuf in so many like Zuckendig, and on the
Like
other page.
Treueriger.
Yeah. Is that just because they were writing it as they spoke it? I mean, that's not correct, is it? I've seen it before, but not very often.
Okay. Refoel, yes, please.
Yeah, it's a Germanic spelling, and there's a lot of Germanic spelling in here.
Okay.
But it's always pronounced "k," but
Right.
in German, written with a G. So why shouldn't we write it with a gimel? But it's these days we don't do that anymore.
Okay. So anything that I would see with the gimel is probably from altered site, just from before YIVO standardization.
Yes, except among the Hasidim who still use it.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Michael, go on. Nu.
Okay. Nu in Reisler habe ich euch getroffen, Leute meine Nevias. And Reisler also found fulfilling my prophecies. Sie wohnt mit Avramsonen. She lives with Abramson. Sie wohnen noch derweil in a bedroom by Fremde. They're still living with strangers, and they live in a bedroom. Und gehen beide arbeiten, and both of them work. Sehen euch a bissel älter wie die Jahren. They look a little bit older than their age actually is, aber noch genug frisch, but still energetic. They leben sparsam. They live sparingly, not extravagantly. They live modestly. Avramson, an enthusiast, Abramson, an enthusiast, a halber poet, a half poet. Träumt von kaufen a farm. He's dreaming about buying a farm. Reisel ist begeistert von sein Träum. Reisel is enthusiastic about his dream. Beide sparen Geld, both save money und arbeiten energisch für sehr ideal. Both of them save money and work energetically for their ideal, for their goal. Weiter?
Yes, please.
In Onne bin ich begeistert geworden von beiden. At first I became enthusiastic about the two of them, von beiden. Ja, es ist doch schön zu sehen, wie die Jugend träumt. It's nice to see how youth has its dreams, habe ich geklärt, I thought. Nachdem hat Mephistopheles angeheben, arbeiten in mir. But after that, the devil started working in me. Was wollen sie beide werden? What will become of them? Sie a schöne Farmerke, she a beautiful farmer, will backen puddings, will bake puddings, cleanen die rugs und die Tatzkalach. She will clean the rugs and the trinkets. Und and he a farmer, versuchen sich Ruf zu arbeiten, and he will look to work himself up, aber es wird gar sein genug. I'm not sure about that. Will it really be enough? I mean, it says, but will it really be enough? Any alternatives to that?
That probably is a question that he makes
Will
for
it-
himself.
Will it
Will
really?
it be enough? Yeah.
Yeah, but they should have had a question mark then. But it's an
Yeah.
exclamation mark, I
Yeah.
suppose.
Yeah.
Semjanov het aufgehört. Semjanov stopped. Wir haben abgeatmet. We breathed a sigh of relief. sich herumgeguckt. We looked around.
Okay, thank you, Michael. Thank you. Morty, go on.
Okay. Rose hat sich ungeruhig geschockelt in Stuhl. Rosa nervously moved in her stool. Mary hat nervös gehisst. Mary coughed nervously. Der niedrige Max hat gekloppt Hand und Hand in gemurmelt. The nearby Max.
No, niedriger is the short one.
Short. The short Max clapped hand in hand and murmled. Prekrasno. That must be a Russian word.
Yeah, it is. I think it's beautiful or it's nice if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, nice. Und Matschke a zerschrockene and Matschke a scared one hat geguckt auf Semyonovs und Lazaren looked at Semyonov and Lazar, wie sie soll wollen der Gain a sehr schwere Rettenisch, as if she had suffered or gone through a very, very hard situation. Und Lazar mit sein ganzer Heuer and Lazar in all his height hat sich ausgeleicht.
He straightened up.
Ausgegleicht, straightened up. Yes, sorry. Sein lichtiger Punim ist geworden etwas bleich. His light-hearted face became rather pale. Seine blauen Augen haben geleuchtet von Aufregung. His blue eyes became light from Aufregung is not sadness, but is
Annoyance.
Yeah. I'm sorry?
Annoyance from getting annoyed.
Yeah. Annoyance, yes. Okay, annoyance. Via beleidigter Nevier, like insulted prophet. Hat sich getun zu Semyonov und ausgerufen. He turned towards Semyonov and said, Ot azoi versteht ihr Amerikanisieren sich? Is that how you understand assimilation? Ot azoi versteht ihr der Amerikaner Typ? Is that how you understand the American type? Aber Semyonov hat ihm übergeschlagen. But Semyonov cut him off. Ich weiß, I know. Ich weiß außenwenig euer ganze Drusche. I know by heart your whole speech. Was ihr wird jetzt halten, that you will now say. Und mit seinem ganzen Skepticism and with his whole skepticism, mit us ganz egal von zerbrochenem, with the full anger of a broken down idealosen Menschen, a person with lost ideals.
Yes.
Hat ausgesungen mit Anigen, started singing with a tune. Und was is the nafkemine? And what is the sense of all this?
Yes. Okay, so go on another 3 lines.
Okay. Wie a kalter Wind ist durchgelaufen durch ein Zimmer. Like a cold wind came through the room. Frost hat uns durchgenommen. A frost took us over. Es ist geworden ganz still. It became very quiet. Nachher hat sich et Maschke treuerig verguckt auf dem Feier untern weißer Blues. After that, et Maschke cryingly looked at the fire under the white glass. Der weiterdiger Gespräch hat sich nicht geknippt. The following talk did not make sense.
Yes.
Wir sind sich voneinander gegangen. We separated ourselves. Und wieder haben wir verbracht an unruhige, schlaflose Nacht. And again, we got together
No, we spend.
Huh?
Spend, to spend.
Spend, yeah.
So,
Got together, spend an unruhige, schlaflose Nacht. Not quiet and with an night without sleep. A Nacht von Sichen, das Ziel und Tachlis von Leben und Sachen. A night looking for the sense of life and things, mit welchen es gibt sich mehr vor allem, with which it happens more than with anything else, of der jiddisch-russischer zerbrochener Intelligent. To the Jewish-Russian broken intelligentsia.
thank you. Thank you. So,
Very, very blue.
very blue, very philosophical, very, yeah. Okay, I promise next week it's very easy, very, very, very easy. The Kipnis stories of hell are extremely easy. So it will be a complete turnaround. Yeah, but I don't.
Like I mentioned last week, I heard someone say once, the Russians are never happier than when they are very sad.
Yes. Yeah, that's a good one. Anyway, it was something different, and just
Yes.
to get the Russian atmosphere.
The Russians I knew drank a lot of wine.
Okay, but that's not
Vodka.
only the Russian. The British I knew, sorry, Hilda, the British I knew, they're drinking a lot of beer or anything. People are drinking. Americans are drinking.
The
It's not
Brits
only-
terrified me with their drinking, but yes, everyone is drinking.
Yeah, and when I lived in Germany, wow, there was there a street that was full with bars. It was a huge street, and every shop was a bar. So they drink. So it's not only the Russian; it's some kind of stereotype that we have of them.
Well, maybe. I just remember going to a Russian wedding, and